Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering files and choosing the tool. Pick a quick editor or command line tool. Import the video now, drag into the timeline or point FFmpeg to the file. Once loaded, inspect duration and audio track count so you know if there are multiple tracks to remove. Make sure to keep a backup copy named with ORIG to avoid accidental overwrite. Next, mute preview audio so you can work without feedback loops. Proceed to isolate the audio layer for removal. Now perform the removal step. In a GUI editor, right-click, unlink video and audio, then delete the audio track and export with original codec settings. If you prefer command line, run ffmpeg in. MP4C copy and out. MP4 to strip audio quickly. This preserves quality and is fast. Once exported, play short clips at the start, middle, and end to confirm silence. If you see waveform remnants, repeat export with re-encode, or use a track-only delete to ensure clean audio removal. Finish by exporting or remuxing to the desired container and checking compatibility on your target device. Some players cache audio info. If unexpected audio remains, re-encode the file specifying an again or create a silent audio track and remux so players won't fall back. Make sure to clear player cache and test on a different player. If problems persist, open the original file in a codec inspector, remove extra tracks explicitly, and remux with a different tool. That usually resolves hidden or embedded audio issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.